Welcome to NorthStar. Stock X has the following probability distribution of expected future returns. Probability is given, expected return is given in percentage. Remember, the first is negative number. The expected rate of return on stock X would be quite a simple question. With calculator only we can solve it. The final answer has been given in percentage, so do not convert these percentages given in the question into decimals. So keep it in calculator. 20 into 0.1 negative, right? So 20 negative number into 0.1, we get negative 2%. 5 multiplied by 0.2, 15 multiplied by 0.4, 20 multiplied by 0.2 and 30 multiplied by 0.1. Press GT, we get 12% or 12. So the correct answer is option B, 12%. If you have to present it in answer, you can directly present it here only. So 20 multiplied by 10, so it will be how much? Negative 2%. 5 multiplied by 0.2, so it is 1%. 15 multiplied by 0.4, we get 6%. 20 multiplied by 0.2, we get 4%, and 30 multiplied by 0.1, we get 3%. And when you sum it up, you get 12%. Correct answer is option B. Basic question. Thank you.